Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you one of the mystery boxes from Archer and Olive. So before we begin, if you see something you like today or you think you want to give Archer and Olive a try, I have a 10% discount code. It will be linked at the bottom and I'll pop it up on screen now so you can see what the discount code is. Use that in the checkout and you'll get 10% off. So in my mystery box I got the acrylic pen set, I got a B5 journal and an A5 journal. The B5 journal is craft paper and I just think that's an amazing idea. It looks so good and I can't wait to use it. So let's start with the A5 journal. This journal is white paper, it's got black on the outside, it has this cute little moon and star logo on the front, has a little elastic around the edge to keep it all together. The paper is super good quality, it's really thick and I'm pretty sure any pen will be able to withhold that. This little charm at the edge is really cute, love that, and I love this design. I think this is one of my favourites. It's got a little pen holder on the side and a little pocket at the back. So I'm really enjoying this journal and I can't wait to use it. So the next journal I got in my mystery box was this B5 bullet journal. Now B5 is a bit bigger, I will show you a comparison compared to A5 in a moment. On the front of this it's got the cute little B logo which I love. It's got the elastic around the side again like the other and the pen holder. It's got craft paper in this one which is really unusual, I've never seen this before so I can't wait to try a bullet journal out on this paper. And again the paper is super thick, exactly the same as the other one, and it's got the back pocket so I can't wait to use this journal. So here's the comparison of the A5 to the B5. A5 is your normal journal size and B5 is quite a bit bigger. I'm really looking forward to trying doing a journal in a B5. I think it'll give so much more room and it'll be something really cool to try out. Finally, the last thing in my Archer and Olive mystery box was the acrylic pen set. Now these I'm really excited about and I can't wait to give them a try and let you all know how they work. They're in the primary colours, here they are, and they look so cool. The nib size 0.7mm and I can't wait to give them a try. So that's everything from my Archer and Olive mystery box. I'm very happy with everything I got. Keep an eye out for my next video because I'll be doing a review on them all, how well they work, how well the pens work, how great the paper is. So keep an eye out and I'll see you all next time. Bye everyone.